Welcome to the future of stargazing. On the night of September 7th, 2025, the moon will transform into a mysterious crimson orb known as the blood moon. Join us as we travel across continents, through cosmic alignments, and into humanity's timeless fascination with lunar eclipses. A lunar eclipse occurs when Earth positions itself directly between the sun and moon. Sunlight refracted by Earth's atmosphere, scattering blue light and bathing the moon in red, yields the haunting blood moon glow, much like a cosmic sunset on the moon's surface. Unlike solar eclipses, these are safe to observe, no shielding needed. This eclipse will be extraordinary. Totality will last approximately 82 minutes, making it one of the longest since 2022. The full sequence, from the penumbral to the final phase, spans well over 5 hours in some regions. Plus it occurs near perigee, making the moon appear larger. A hint of a superblood moon. Who gets the best seat? Observers in Asia and Western Australia can catch the entire eclipse from start to finish. Large parts of Europe and Africa will see it as the moon rises, offering a dramatic ascension of the red moon. Unfortunately, the Americas will miss it. The moon will already be below the horizon. Greatest eclipse, 1811 UTC. Totality, approximately 82 minutes. In the future, witnessing a blood moon is more than looking up, it's connecting. Imagine AR glasses overlaying celestial data, drones streaming ultra-close footage, and global live streams beaming the event to anyone, anywhere. Blood moons have captivated cultures for millennia, from myths of dragons devouring the moon to reflections on cosmic order. Today they remind us of our place in the universe, the poetry in planetary motion. So where will you be when the moon blushes red on September 7th, 2025? If you loved this blend of cosmic wonder and futuristic vision, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell. Let's journey into the next great sky story together.